Happy Republic Day to one and all. I'm very thankful to Dr. Ruchi Vashne ma'am and all state team for this cooperation.
नमस्कार, मैं रुचि वार्ष्णेय सबसे पहले आज IAPWC की गुना ब्रांच और मध्य प्रदेश ब्रांच को तहे दिल से मुबारकबाद देना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने इस 70th रिपब्लिक डे पर एक बहुत ही शानदार प्रयास किया है अपने फिजियोस को, अपने विजन को और अपने नेशन को कनेक्ट करने का एक बहुत अच्छा अवसर प्रदान किया है। तो ऐसे मौके पे मैं डॉक्टर रुचि और हमारी जोनल हेड डॉक्टर सकीना, हमारी डॉक्टर स्टेट कोऑर्डिनेटर डॉक्टर पिंकी मैम और सभी साथ के कोऑर्डिनेटर्स एंड सब कोऑर्डिनेटर्स को कंग्रेचुलेट करती हूँ। जहाँ तक मेरे विजन की बात है तो आई थिंक वो है बिल्कुल क्लियर है कि फिजियोथेरेपी प्रोफेशन शुड बी कंसिडर्ड एज द बेस्ट हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशन, बिकॉज जहाँ कोई नहीं पहुँच सकता, जहाँ कोई कुछ नहीं कर सकता, वहाँ पर सिर्फ एक फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट ही है जो एक आशा की किरण देता है पेशेंट को, चाहे वो किसी भी स्ट्रीम से रिलेटेड हो। मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि 2021 और आगे के आने के 10 साल इस प्रोफेशन के लिए सबसे महत्वपूर्ण वर्ष हैं। तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि बाहर से लोग हमारे देश में आए, हमारे इंटेलेक्चुअल से मिलें, हमारी रिसर्चेस को अप्रिशिएट करें और हमें अप्रिशिएट करें, और वहाँ से आके वो लोग हमारे यहाँ वीज़ा के लिए अप्लाई करें और फिजियोथेरेपी की पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट और फर्दर स्टडीज़ के लिए इंडिया बेस्ट हब होना चाहिए। सो दिस इज़ माय विजन फॉर द नेक्स्ट few coming years, and I'm sure with the kind of work that Women's Cell is doing for IAP, this would be not difficult to achieve. ये achievable है. Thank you so much. Once again, congratulations. Keep rocking and may the best win, even though I can get a prize too. Thank you.
उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंख से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसले की उड़ान होती है। नमस्कार मेरे फिजियो साथीगण, मेरे कलीग्स, मेरे फ्रेंड्स, मेरे सीनियर्स। मैं डॉक्टर सकीना कांचवाला, जोनल हेड सेंट्रल जोन IAP वुमेन सेल, आज आपके सामने माय विजन माय प्रोफेशन पे चर्चा के लिए उपस्थित हुई हूँ। सर्वप्रथम मैं आभारी हूँ हमारी गुना डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर डॉक्टर रुचि जैन को, जिन्होंने हमें ये मौका दिया। मैं विगत 20 वर्षों से इस फिजियोथेरेपी प्रोफेशन में जुड़ी हुई हूँ, जहाँ फिजियोथेरेपी की कोई पहचान नहीं थी, एक मालिश वाला ही समझा जाता था। लेकिन आज फिजियोथेरेपी की अपना एक महत्व है, एक अपनी सफलताएं हैं, एक अपनी ऊंचाइयां हैं। लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हम उस ऊंचाई को नहीं पा गए हैं जहाँ हमें होना चाहिए, जिसके हम हकदार हैं, क्योंकि सरकार हमारी स्वतंत्र फिजियोथेरेपी काउंसिल नहीं बनाई है। और हमारी विगत कई वर्षों से मांग है कि सरकार हमारी एक इंडिपेंडेंट स्वतंत्र फिजियोथेरेपी काउंसिल बनाए। आज इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी को बधाई देते हुए मैं हमारे राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री माननीय शिवराज सिंह जी चौहान जी से अनुरोध करूंगी कि वे हमारी मांग को शीघ्र से शीघ्र पूरी करें और हमारी एक स्वतंत्र इंडिपेंडेंट काउंसिल मध्य प्रदेश में शीघ्र से शीघ्र स्थापित हो। साथ ही मैं अनुरोध करूंगी हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री जी नरेंद्र मोदी जी से भी कि वे हमारी फिजियोथेरेपी की स्वतंत्र काउंसिल पूरे देश में बनाएं। कोरोना की इस महामारी में भी फिजियोथेरेपी ने अपना योगदान दिया, जिससे हजारों सैकड़ों पेशेंट फिजियोथेरेपी के द्वारा इस बीमारी से निजात लिए, इस बीमारी से दूर हुए। फिजियोथेरेपी के बारे में हर पेशेंट, हर डॉक्टर, हर बच्चा, हर बूढ़ा जानता है कि फिजियोथेरेपी की उन्हें कहीं ना कहीं ज़रूरत होती है, क्योंकि फिजियोथेरेपी एक ऐसी पद्धति है जिसका इलाज बिना दवाइयों से होता है, फिजिकल थेरेपी एक्सरसाइजेस से होता है, मेडिसिन से नहीं होता है, ना ही इसके कोई साइड इफ़ेक्ट है। लेकिन हम उस सफलता को नहीं पहुंच पा रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारी इंडिपेंडेंट प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, ऑटोनॉमस प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, हमारा वो स्टैंडर्ड नहीं बन पाया है, क्योंकि हम एक इंडिपेंडेंट काउंसिल के रूप में नहीं हैं। तो हम शीघ्र से शीघ्र इस साल में यह चाहेंगे कि हमारी काउंसिल बने, हम प्रोफेशनल स्टैंडर्ड्स को पहुँचे, हमारा एथिकल स्टैंडर्ड बने। अभी तो असली मंजिल पाना बाकी है, अभी तो इरादों का इम्तिहान बाकी है, अभी तो तोली है मुट्ठी भर जमीन, अभी तो आसमान तोलना बाकी है। धन्यवाद। जय फिजियोथेरेपी, जय भारत।
To write the suffix PT on my name फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट जिसने मुझे पहचान दी है, जिसने मुझे बताया है कि आई एम वेरी मच इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर द वर्ल्ड. और टू राइट द फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट suffix with my name, it's a pride for me, it's an honor from me. फिजियोथेरेपी इज द प्रोफेशन जिसने आज दुनिया को बताया है कि वो क्या है. टू राइट लाइक एवरीबडी वाज, जब गवर्नमेंट में भी पोस्ट निकलती थी तो उसमें लिखा जाता था मेश्योर, एक मालिश वाला. आज वही मालिश वाला प्रोफेशन दुनिया का वो प्रोफेशन बन गया है जिसने जिंदगी बचाई है. मालिश वाला से स्पेशलाइज्ड अपने आप को प्रूव करना, स्पेशल सुपर स्पेशलिटी स्ट्रीम चेस्ट फिजियोथेरेपी, स्पेशल ड्यूटीज इन कोरोना वार्ड्स जिसने जिंदगी बचाई है. और आज हमें वी आर वेरी मच ऑनर्ड टू बी अ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट. इट इज द प्रोफेशन जिसने अपनी पहचान खुद बनाई है दुनिया से लड़ के, कि वो एक मालिश वाला नहीं, वो है, ये वो सुपर स्पेशलिटी है जो कि एक मरते हुए कोरोना पेशेंट को जिंदगी दे जाता है और जिसका मेडिकल फील्ड में एक बहुत बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंस है. आई जस्ट लव माई प्रोफेशन एंड जस्ट वॉन्ट टू से, चमन में खिलते रंग गुल से बात बनती है, हम ही हम हैं तो क्या हम हैं, तुम ही तुम हो तो क्या तुम हो.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर रुचि जैन, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, आईएपी विमेन सेल गुना डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑर्डिनेटर. आप सभी को 72nd रिपब्लिक डे की हार्दिक बधाइयाँ देती हूँ. इस रिपब्लिक डे पर हमारी गुना डिस्ट्रिक्ट ने एक एक्टिविटी प्लान किया, दैट वाज ऑनलाइन स्पीच कंपटीशन ऑन द टॉपिक माय विजन माय प्रोफेशन फॉर फिजियोथेरेपी इन 2021. कॉन्सेप्ट सिर्फ इतना सा था कि 2020 कोविड रिवॉल्यूशन ने बहुत सारी चीज़ों में, नज़रियों में, ज़िंदगियों में बदलाव लाया है और यही एक बदलाव हमारे फिजियोथेरेपी प्रोफेशनल्स का सोसाइटी के प्रति जिम्मेदारी और उनके जो रूप सामने उभर कर आया है उसमें आया है. एज अ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट आई रियलाइज्ड कि आफ्टर कोविड पैंडेमिक फिटनेस एक बहुत बड़ा टूल साबित हुआ है जिसने कोविड के खिलाफ लड़ने में, कोविड के सामने अड़ने में एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है. फ्रॉम पीडियाट्रिक, बच्चे के जन्म से लेकर टिल जीरियाट्रिक, एक इंसान के मरने के पहले तक फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट मॉरली, फिजिकली, मेंटली हर तरीके से उसके साथ खड़ा है. बेड साइड आईसीयू की बात करें हम, चाहे कंप्लीट रिहैबिलिटेशन की, पोस्ट सर्जिकल वे में हम लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत करते हैं सभी के साथ आने के लिए, पर स्टिल फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट अपने डेजिग्नेशन के लिए आज फाइट कर रहा है. 2021 में मेरा विजन यही कहता है कि दिस एरा विल बी ऑफ फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट. हम अपना मकाम हासिल करके रहेंगे और आप सभी की जिस तरह से एंट्रीज और इनपुट्स हमें मिले हैं, आई एम 100% श्योर अबाउट आवर गोल कि हम जीत कर रहेंगे. वी विल विन. हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे. थैंक यू सो मच.
नमस्ते, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, हेलो to my all respected teachers and viewers. Myself Khushbu Gupta from Kareem University, Kota, Rajasthan, student of third year. Today I am here on the occasion of 72 Republic Day with the title My Vision, My Profession. First of all, before proceeding to the topic, I would like to wish to all a very happy Republic Day. Today I am going to discuss my topic based on these three parameters or the things. The first one is about the physiotherapy, second one physiotherapy standards, and third one and last one, that was the physiotherapy scope. So what is exactly physiotherapy? Physiotherapy is a unique branch of medical science where we deal with the patient with a drugless therapy. And I would like also mention about the today's present condition. There was the COVID-19 where physiotherapy play a very important role in the rehabilitation recovery of the COVID patient. Physiotherapy improves the health individuals and standard and quality of life in society by advancing physical therapy practice and education research, and by increasing the awareness among the individuals, nation and worldwide. Physiotherapy standard. Physiotherapy standard, as per my knowledge, independent physiotherapy practice, it leads to enhance the evidence-based practice, which is automatically increase the patient-centered approach and help to maintain and proper maintenance of documentation, but it also automatically increase the autonomy of the therapist, and it also helps to maintain the professional ethics. So as per my knowledge, these are the standards of the physiotherapy. And at last, I would like to say thank you to my parents, to my teachers, and this event IAPWC and IAP to give me this opportunity to show my gratitude and do something a little bit contribution on this occasion and event. So really would like to thank
Hello, Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Adab. Today I am Mridula. I am here to express my views on my vision, my profession 2021. Many best wishes on this occasion of Republic Day. Divided by color, religion, caste, or just miles apart, we are all incredible Indians at heart. Our unity in diversity is a breath-holding sight. Our rainbow nation, our home, our pride. This is my India. 2020, a year filled with smile, tears, anxiety, anticipation, and most of all, COVID 19, something which we'll all remember for years to come. With the end of an era, 2021 was welcomed with open hearts and open arms. 2021 has been a symbol of hope for all of us. And I think with the coming in of vaccine, we can finally see light at the end of the tunnel. As they say, when one door closes, another opens. uh, Now, few months ago, when on one hand, me, my friends, my family were terrified with the concept of COVID 19, many of my seniors, teachers, and physios of the entire nation were battling it like soldiers, like warriors. This was both an eye opener and something which made me very proud of my profession. A newspaper article had highlighted how a 7-month-old baby with COVID was able to avoid ventilator, and aggressive chest PT and shorter and frequent prone positioning were key elements of treatment. 2020 marked how physios today have been the knights in shining armors, and I am very sure that 2021 will also once again underline the healing touch of physios. I'd like to end by sharing a few lines which I wrote some time back. One fine day, somebody questioned me, why choose physiotherapy among the others? I smiled and replied, they have the power of healing touch, can make you walk without any crutch. They struggle between range of motion and muscle strength. Their efforts have no end. Surrounded by pain from all sides, they still manage to smile. Maybe because patients today don't believe in magic, they believe in their physios. They believe in their physios.
Good evening, everyone. In the 21st century, knowledge and know-how are the key to success. As the 11th President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir said, all of us don't have equal talent, but all of us has an equal opportunity to develop our talents. I, Ronak Saluja, 21-year-old and student of BPT first year, contact number 9310476558, has got an golden opportunity to deliver a speech on topic, My Vision, My Profession. And I would like to thank judges and my class teacher who gave me this golden opportunity. So according to me, as a student of physical therapy, our basic and primary motive is to provide a healthy lifestyle by promoting, restoring and maintaining the physical well-being of the patient so that they can lead a happy, well-being and a vibrant life. Physiotherapy is suitable for a variety of conditions at every age, stage and walk of life. Our only motive while treating the patient is to make him recover by different means manually and by different techniques. We as a physiotherapist are a team of innovative, empathetic, exemplary healthcare professionals who are driven by passion, inspiration and performance for the well-being of our patients. The values that a physical therapist inculcate are empathy, quality, integrity, performance, innovation and commitment too. By now, it's no secret that COVID-19 has changed the world forever and it has affected the physiotherapist too. Physiotherapy, like rest of the healthcare sector, has no exception. Throughout the course of COVID, physiotherapy have played an important role in reducing the stress on healthcare system. They have been aspiring patients who have major surgeries delayed and lesser their pain. The physical aspect of physiotherapy role will never be replaced, but things have and will continue to be different and will always continue with the advancement of technology and time, and physiotherapy plays an important role which help in treating the patients. Thank you.
Everyone, myself Sakshi Sachin Geete and I am 20 years old. I am a student of first year physiotherapy at Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Physiotherapy. From the time when I was in my 8th grade, I wanted to do something related to helping people. One day I was watching a cricket match with my dad, and at the end of the match, they were interviewing the team's physiotherapist. That interview suddenly caught my attention, and I thought that this would be a thing to think of. I talked with my parents and decided to pursue the physiotherapy course. So, I started preparing for the same, and now I am here finally living my dream. On the first day of my college, I wore my coat, and that was the moment I will cherish for lifetime. That was the moment that demanded a little extra time from me, and I gave it with all my heart. For that, the coat isn't just a piece of clothing that I wear. Along with it, I wear my identity, I wear strength, I wear confidence, and I wear my purpose. Talking about physiotherapy, physiotherapists are the ones who help people get rid of their pain. Physiotherapy teams up with other healthcare professions and helps people recover from their pain and injuries. Physiotherapy gives a gradual but long term effective treatment. Our sports field is progressing day by day, and we physiotherapists play a very important role in a sport person's life. With rapidly modernizing population and way of life, the need for physiotherapy is growing day by day, and people are accessing to it more. What is better than helping people recover from their pain and injuries and promising them a happier and healthier life? And I am very happy to be able to learn something like this. Thank you and wish you a very happy Republic Day.
Hello everyone, I am Swapnil Kandagre. I am studying physiotherapy BPD first year from Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Physiotherapy. My contact number is 9834892742. कहते हैं जान है तो जहान है, इसलिए फिजियोथेरेपी सेहत के लिए वरदान है. But the main motto is to get ideas, get studies about them and get them implemented gracefully. Physiotherapy is not the first thing came up in my mind for my aches and pains. I want to create values like empathy, quality, integrity, innovation, performance, and commitment in my profession, which I found in physiotherapy. Our job is to help heal a patient's body, no matter how minor or severe the injury is. The goal is to work with the patients one on one to help them get back to things they like to do pain free. We are a team of innovative, empathetic, exemplary healthcare professionals who are driven by passion, inspiration, and performance as we care for our clients from every age, stage, and walk of life. I'd like to do something for society like free checkup camps, seminars, or whatever I can do for the needy people or our nation. Lastly, I would like to conclude my speech by raising a toast to all the doctors for your grateful effort. Your profession is noble, and now, especially after facing a pandemic, we salute to your courage that each one of us showing us every day with smiling faces. Thank you for your cooperation, and thanks a lot IAPWC Guna who gave us an opportunity to speak. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, my name is Pranidhi Ingole. I am 18 years old and first year BPT student. Today I am here to deliver a speech on my vision, my profession. I am on my journey on becoming Doctor of Movement. I firmly believe that whether you are a professional athlete or someone doing a day-to-day desk job, your performance is only based on your body's health. But unfortunately, there is a large proportion of our society that does not understand the importance of movement on your physical and mental health. As a physiotherapist, it is my duty to change this. My mission is to provide a professional and caring physiotherapy service which make my patients live a healthy, vibrant and a productive life. My vision is to provide evidence-based physiotherapy care and imbued with empathy and honesty. I will always make sure to make that an extra effort in getting my patients out of bed, teaching them how to walk again, run again, and live a better life again. In addition to this, in such a pandemic situation, we are forced to stay at home. So this has invited to many. This work from home lifestyle has invited to many problems such as obesity and body aches. And staying fit and being active in this kind of environment is really a great job. This work from home lifestyle has gonna have a huge impact on our lifestyle, and as a physiotherapist I will do my best to change this lifestyle and make India fit and healthy again. I am pretty sure that my healing hand will surely make someone move again, and I will try my best to achieve it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rutuja Wable and I'm a first year student of physiotherapy in Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Physiotherapy. My age is 18 and my contact number is 9987178185. To start with, my vision about my profession or career was pretty blur until I was introduced to the course of physiotherapy. And now that I'm a part of this very reputed institute of Dr. D.Y. Patil College, is when I started feeling good about myself. When I think about the fact that I'll be able to call myself a doctor is what keeps me going through hard times. Helping my community with my knowledge and being an independent person is what I say when someone asks me the reason for choosing this profession. Medical field is the only profession that can amaze me every single day. The fact that I can learn something new every day motivates me to the highest level. Through this profession, I've been understanding my body. And by my body, I don't just mean bone and flesh, but also my own personality and my psychiatry. And the way this field is molding me, I get very confident about my future. I've always believed that choices lead to consequences, and by choosing my profession as a physiotherapist is my way of upholding a blissful career. Thank you. Happy Republic Day and have a great day.
Good morning. My name is Sonali Santosh Kumar Behra from Dr. D.Y. Patil College of Physiotherapy, Pune. I'm studying in BPT first year. So my topic is My Vision, My Profession. A career vision statement is a simple document that expresses your career values and goals in opposite and actionable paragraph. A tool that keeps you focuses on goals and values during a job search. So my profession or my vision or goal of my life is to be a physiotherapist. A physio has a brain of a scientist, the heart of a humanist, and a hand of an artist. The vision statement for the physical therapy profession transforming society by optimizing movement to improve the human experience, to provide treatment that empowers and heals by combining the best scientific experience in a caring, confidential, and respectful manner, to provide excellence in respect, knowledge, and skill in all aspects of what we do, to maintain the department's long tradition of leadership in excellence in physical therapy education, create innovative educational program, promote the provision of ethical, efficient, and cost-effective physical therapy services, serve the physical therapy needs to the national and international community. So my vision is to be a physiotherapist. Doctors add days to the life, but a physio add life to the days. Medicine can reduce the pain. Medicine can also increase the healing power. But a physiotherapy can make a bedridden patient to work. Yes, we do, because we are physiotherapists. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Dr. Sapna Khatri Boriwal. I am from Ratlam. My vision toward my physiotherapy profession is to enhance or advancing our physiotherapy profession through the development of knowledge and skills to provide the satisfactory management of the patient in order to reduce disability and suffering in the society. We should show our dedication towards our personal and professional growth. As we know, we are the team of innovative and empathetic and passionate healthcare profession as we care our patients from the every age and stage of her disability to promote her quality of life. Serve the physiotherapy to our society and community and nation in reliable and effective manner. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Himani Poddar, Sub-Coordinator IAPWC Telangana State. I am a proud physiotherapist and owner of Yogashri Physiotherapy Clinic, Hyderabad. Good health and fit body, to me, is the most important thing in life. Being a physiotherapist, I have this opportunity to interact with number of patients and to understand the issues they are dealing with. I am determined enough to help my patients not only by providing them physiotherapy treatment as in exercises, modalities, etc., but also by providing them psychological support. I encourage my patients to follow a healthy lifestyle, to eat right, sleep well, exercise regularly, and of course, meditation is an integral part of life. To me, physiotherapy is the future of medical science. I want my profession to blossom. I am a very passionate physiotherapist and I will continue to serve my patients as long as possible. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanjana Iyer. I'm 18 years old and I'm a first year student in DY Patil College of Physiotherapy. My contact number is 8691 988 957. Have you ever heard of people saying every individual on earth exists on purpose? Yes, indeed. And this purpose, according to me, is fulfilled only if we picturize ourselves now as someone we wanted to be in future. That is what we call being visionary. Health and fitness have always been my passion since my adolescent years. There is nothing more fascinating than the human body. Each system, muscle, fibers, bones, and joints working together to create a movement. I've always wanted to be a healer, and that's how I ended up here, tagged as a budding physiotherapist in DY Patil Pune, one of the esteemed deemed university in Maharashtra. And as I dreamt of, I'll be a physiotherapist by profession in coming years. So, I hereby end up by conveying a small message. The choice is ours. Either we continue to be the same old people who cannot come out of our old shells, or learn from our mistakes that we made in the past and create a vision and live a life that we wanted to live. Thank you.
आसान कहाँ होता है आसमान को छू पाना, आसान कहाँ होता है आसमान को छू पाना, लेकिन ज़िद अगर कर लो तो मंजिल दूर नहीं होती। जी हाँ, 2021 में मेरा यही विज़न है अपने प्रोफेशन को लेके कि मुझे अपने प्रोफेशन को एक ऐसी आसमान की बुलंदियों तक पहुंचाना है जहां पे हम फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट को सिर्फ और सिर्फ तकलीफ दर्द में ही याद ना किया जाए, बल्कि फिट रहने के लिए भी हमें याद किया जाए। अभी जो रिसेंटली करंट सिचुएशन जो गई है कोरोना की, गई नहीं है, अभी चल ही रही है, इसमें हमने देखा, इसमें हम स्टडीज़ में हम पढ़ रहे हैं कि जितने भी फिट लोग थे उनको थोड़ा कम प्रॉब्लम हुई। वो सर्वाइवर हैं, उन्होंने फाइट किया उस पर्टिकुलर कंडीशन से और वो बाहर निकल के आए। बट जो अनफिट थे उन्हें प्रॉब्लम हुई। द सेम वे हम फिजियोथेरेपी को एक ऐसी जगह पे पहुंचा सकते हैं जहां पे फिट रहने के लिए लोग हमसे कंसल्ट करें। अभी सिर्फ हमारे पास पेन के लिए या किसी पर्टिकुलर कंडीशंस के लिए पेशेंट आते हैं, बट मैं फिजियोथेरेपी को एक ऐसी जगह देखना चाहती हूँ जहाँ पे फिट रहने के लिए भी लोग हमसे कंसल्ट करें। मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे देती हूँ। मैं डॉक्टर सोनिल सिंह, और आप सभी को हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे। और आखिरी में सिर्फ 2 लाइनें कहूँगी अपनी ही लिखी हुई कि तकलीफ़ों को दूर करने बिन दवाई का इलाज, फिजियोथेरेपी ही बेस्ट थी, है और रहेगी, कल हो या आज। थैंक यू सो मच।
We all have something that makes us feel alive, a passionate pursuit that added a little extra meaning to life. So my pursuit is to bring back happiness in lives. Namaskar, I am Dr. Namrata Singh Samaria and I am from Ujjain. We are talking about my vision, my profession. Although bringing back happiness may sound vague to many, but for me, I have defined it in my ways. Especially being a physiotherapist, I understand the pain and pity of people. Treating them recovering from their mental or physical pain gives me a satisfaction that I am walking in right direction. I believe when healing someone from mentally or physically, you get transformed into a person to whom people rely upon. They start trusting you and suddenly you acquire a superior degree of a miraculous person who will take away all their sufferings. This pressurizes many medicos, but you have to keep faith. Faith in you and faith in the direction where you are heading. You need to put all of you to make a person recover from his ailment. And when the patient himself starts observing that he is gaining his lost momentum, he starts becoming more helpful and much happier. I believe that bringing back smiles and happiness to a person who is suffering is the most rewarding thing one can ever have in professional or personal life. So this drives me further in my pursuit to bringing back happiness in lives. But you have to stand strong because life is hard. You get challenges in all the times, so you need to keep improving. And the only person you should try to be better than is who you were yesterday. Just truly said that be so busy improving yourself that you have no time to criticize others. And this is what I would like to say about my vision, my profession. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Myself Dr. Pranita Sharma, Assistant Professor, Index College of Physiotherapy, Indore. Today, I am proudly sharing some words on the topic My Vision, My Profession, that is physiotherapy. I genuinely proud to be a physiotherapist. Why so? Because today we are helping all the patients right from the field of pediatrics, neuro, geriatrics, obstetric and gynec, musculoskeletal, cardiothoracic, and all the other fields. We are there when a patient is on bed till their independent mobilization. We are actually relieving the pain of a patient without using any particular medicine or drug. That is the biggest, proud, magical thing of our profession. We have the magical hands. That is why we are working for a patient by doing a lot of wonders through manual therapy and mobilization. Still, we are not getting justice to our field. Still, we are not getting an independent physiotherapy council. Why? What is the criteria of having a council? While we are working on the emotional, physical, psychosocial, all the aspects of a patient, still we are not getting a justice to our field. So today, I humbly request our government to please give us and please provide us an independent physiotherapy council. Our Indian Association of Physiotherapists is working day and night very hard to get this. So please hear our request. Kindly provide us with this honor so that we can be proud. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Warm regards to everyone participating in this campaign. Heartiest congratulations to IAP Women's Cell Guna and especially Dr. Ruchi for taking the lead and getting this campaign further and further. I would rather appreciate everyone participating in this. This is a big mass campaign where you can get a message from the society and give a message to the society rather that what we are doing, what we are capable of. So very happy Republic Day to everyone. Myself, Dr. Anup Kumar. I am 38 years old and having a clinic, Arogya Physiocare. I am director and senior physiotherapist over here at Kullu, Himachal Pradesh. I have 13 years of experience and this is a great initiative and I would request everyone to participate at mass number and get this campaign done in a very successful way. All the very best and happy Republic Day to everyone.
Can we imagine a world without bricks? A boat without an oar? Or a sea without a shore? Never, right? In the same way, actions without having the good intention is aimless. I am Miss Benaifa Xavier Chettiar, a student of first year physiotherapy. I am 18 years old and my contact number is 98335 83501. The seeds of being in this noble profession, a doctor, a physiotherapist, was sowed in me since the very beginning. My vision is not only to be a professional in this field, but also take it to a larger level by helping others. All this learning and knowledge is of no use if it is not for the betterment of the society. I don't know how much would this profession help me monetarily in life, but the satisfaction I would get by relieving someone's pain is what I am working for. Hence, being in this field which caters to help others is someone I wanted to be and I would love to be the whole of my life. As every day passes with a dropping sun, I am loving the process of being a physiotherapist. I look up to be a very happy and well-learned doctor, not only by my name, but also by my work. Thank you so much.
Good morning. Myself Sanika Kodre from Diva Patil College of Physiotherapy, Pune. I study in first year BPT and my age is 18 years. I'm going to talk about my vision, my profession. As they say, if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But by all means, just keep moving forward. So, in order to achieve one's goal, along with a strong determination, maintaining the physical well-being is equally important. Here is where my mission stands to offer care to people by inspiring and assisting them, restoring and maintaining the physical well-being of our society. I can proudly say I am a part of an innovative, empathetic, exemplary healthcare profession who are driven by passion, inspiration, and performance. As an aspiring physiotherapist, I will care for my patient from every stage and walk of life. In this only lies my sole vision of creating foundation of whole patient treatment. Along with enhancing movements of bones and muscles, I will always try to reach for its root cause, because I sincerely believe that by doing so, it will take long but it will last much longer. And beyond wellness, I also believe that body, mind and soul all are connected with each other. Emotional wellness, mental wellness and most importantly spiritual wellness are as important as physical wellness. Therefore, I look forward to help people connect with their inner self, receiving something just beyond being well. Thank you.
Fizagyan Chandani, a student from first year physiotherapy, age 19, and my contact number is 704-5848-629, and I am here to talk about my vision, my profession. The name itself explains that the dreams you truly inspire gets achieved if we set our goals clear. My vision is to be honest, enthusiastic and impactful in my profession and as well as in my goals. Many people choose many reasons to be in this field, but I chose because I got inspired by my very own family doctor. She kindled the fire in me to get into this field. I firmly believe that after every medication, there is some unfinished process and that needs to get finished by a physiotherapist, and that's why I'm here. To summarize, my vision is to trust in my goals and work on my dreams and never get into any kind of malpractices. Thank you.
I am Bhageshri Zope, student of first year physiotherapy. I am 18 years old. My contact number 8767-427-038. I am here to speak on the topic My Vision, My Profession. My vision for my profession is to have a life full of meaning for myself and others. I want to become a doctor, not only for the pride of my family, but for the betterment of the society. I always wanted to pursue a career in a medical field. During my schooling days, I always used to share my future plans with my friends. And thinking about this profession became a daily routine and more of a reminder to me. I was always very keen to serve people, and medicine is a field where you serve people with the knowledge and experience that you have gained. And physiotherapy is one such profession where you can bring back people to their normal routine and make their life function again. To put it in a nutshell, my vision and my profession are strongly linked together with my willpower. I will work hard and take small steps towards bigger dreams every single day. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principals, sir, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Vaishnavi Dahale of BPT first year, age 19. Today my topic is My Profession, My Vision. I am very proud of my profession as a physiotherapist, as it is a new emerging field. In this profession, I would like to learn new application, new technique and gain the practical knowledge which would help me in treating the patient in a very effective way. Also in this profession, yoga is also a very good exercise for the old age people, which would help them to stay mentally and physically fit. I would also like to share my views on personal vision. Now, what is personal vision? Personal vision means it is the overall journey of your career with goals and dreams. In order to become a better physiotherapist, we need to follow some key attributes. The key attributes are: first, focus on your career and your goals. Second, have a dedicated plan which would help you to achieve your goals and dream. Third, what are your short-term and long-term goals? Fourth, what are the effective way and the techniques which would help me in treating a patient? Fifth, how are my skills towards the patient? Sixth, stay dedicated, inspired and motivated. So these are the small key attributes which would help us to become a very good physiotherapist and achieve our dreams. Thank you and have a nice day.
Sports, neuro, even pediatrics, like you name it, and physiotherapists are here to offer and relieve your pain, the specific kind of pain the patients go through. Yeah, so I would really like to tell people how it is important to go see a physiotherapist and get treated as soon as possible on the pain they go through. So yeah, thank you so much and happy Republic Day.
मैं फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट मनीषा सिंह, गुना डिस्ट्रिक्ट सब कोऑर्डिनेटर ऑफ आईएपी वुमेन सेल। 72वें गणतंत्र दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में हमने माय विज़न माय प्रोफेशन एक्टिविटी रखी, उसमें सभी लोगों ने योगदान दिया, उसके लिए मेरा बहुत बहुत आभार। मेरे नज़रिए से फिजियोथेरेपी मेडिकल प्रोफेशन का एक महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा है। बेसिकली मेडिकल में मेडिसिन या सर्जरी 2 पार्ट मेन माने जाते हैं, बट अगर कोई एक उदाहरण लेके चलें, मान लीजिए लो बैक पेन बहुत कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है, इसमें अगर आप मेडिसिन का रोल देखेंगे तो वो सिर्फ आपको पेन रिलीफ देता है जो कि सिम्टम है, ना कि कॉज। और जब इसकी वर्स्ट कंडीशन होती है, मान लो लिस्थियासिस है, 4th ग्रेड डिस्क प्रोलैप्स है, तब हम सर्जरी अप्लाई करते हैं। बट इसके बीच में जो मेन कॉज है, मसल टाइटनेस, ट्रिगर पॉइंट्स बनना या नर्व कंप्रेशन होना, ये सब को ट्रीट करने के लिए फिजियोथेरेपी ट्रीटमेंट ही यूज़ होता है। नॉर्मल आप स्पोर्ट्स में देखेंगे तो जब सबसे पहले फील्ड पर एक प्लेयर जो है वो इंजर्ड होता है तो सबसे पहले फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट ही उसको हैंडल करता है। वापस उसको फील्ड पे जाने के लिए रिहैबिलिटेशन एक मेन पार्ट होता है। अर्गोनॉमिकली आप देखिए अपनी जगह पर, अपने प्लेस पर, वर्किंग प्लेस पर कैसे काम करना है, कैसे आपको उठना है, कैसे आपको कंप्यूटर का यूज़ करना है, चेयर पे प्रॉपर सिटिंग कैसे करना है, वो सब में फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट का मेन रोल माना जाता है। हम एक अपंग बच्चे को चलाने से लेके सर्जरी के बाद उस पार्ट को प्रॉपर मूवमेंट करने तक का अहम हिस्सा जो है वो फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट ही निभाता है। तो अभी सोसाइटी में फिजियोथेरेपी ट्रीटमेंट मेन ट्रीटमेंट है, अहम भूमिका है फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट की। तो मुझे बहुत प्राउड है कि मैं एक फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट हूँ। थैंक यू।